You want to know why I hand sanded it all? Because I feel like if I used a wire wheel, I would go through the paint too fast and burn through the aluminum. It's very thin material after all. I'm just joking. I really didn't feel like getting out the grinder. Oh, look! A wabbit! Hey.
Hey,
Yeah.
what's one?
It's times like this where I wish I had a big gun and I can just do a whole side in 10 passes. But here we are. 100 passes will finally cover this stupid thing. How'd you manage that?
No.
What is it even on?
The car is stuck. You got this.
Nice. Well, much like the inside, I underestimated how many cans I would actually need. And I think the outside is going to be 5.5, which is insane because I thought because of it being already green that this thing would have covered fine, but nope. Let's peel the tape off this monster, shall we? Comparable to your regular Walmart $1,200 Sun Dolphin, I think this was the way to go. But granted, there are things I have to get, like rowing oars or a trolling motor to really finish the job up, but all in all, that's a good investment. Especially if you don't know how long you're going to keep it. I have little kids now. They ain't gonna be so little in the near future. Was this an easy project? Yeah, it was not that bad. Hand sanding it was, you know, easy on your neighbors, and really that's all it really needed, seeing that I was just sanding down and scuffing an original paint job that was primed probably 30 years ago. But that was the test. If that paint held on for a while, then I guess I'll be alright for a few years.